Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is a new series. I'm starting a new series. It's a binary options trading, price action trading, binary options strategy part 1 video, where I'm going to show you, because we have weekend, you see the market is closed. Yes, I'm going to show you those trades which I have already done, but this time I will refer to those pages. Yes, first of all I will explain those kind of trades. Yes, and then I will refer to those pages in my ebook. Yes, in this case I can only recommend to anybody to get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description we'll find also the link to the Facebook group. So okay, we will start immediately, so we do not waste time, and I will show you regarding to those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook, what pages are there, which videos you should watch, yes, to understand this kind of trades. So let me get this video. Here we have this video, and yes, the first time it was the introduction to the ebook, and now I started here, and yes, I draw here support and resistance level. Let me explain here something what should be interesting. So we have here flat market. Yes, you see the EMAs are flat. We have a minor downtrend. Yes, here we had a minor uptrend. So, and that was already everything what you should know here. You have a Bollinger Squeeze, yes, and now I'm going to show you, based on those things, what kind of pages should be interesting for you. So first of all, before I'm going to start, I'll show you this, but I need to, yes, I need to stop the video for a second to find these pages. Or wait, I will do this in this kind of manner. So let me see. So first of all, the market condition stuff. The market condition is mostly this one, what I have explained here. Yes, this video, and this concept, this is where you understand the market condition. An uptrend, a ranging market, yes, and a downtrend. Yes, here in this kind we have a downtrend. Then we are getting here in some kind of ranging. Then the price can go up and down. That is the first what you should cover. Then let me see where I have the next one. That next one which you should cover would be the topic about this one here. Yes, where I have explained not this one here. Let me see. Yes, this one here. Right, I clicked wrong. So this one here, where I have explained what the specific Bollinger Bands are explaining. Yes, so look at this. We have here flat Bollinger Band, resistance, support, and resistance. Yes, Bollinger Squeeze. Yes, and consolidation area. Yes, and what do we have here? So we have here Bollinger Squeeze, yes, consolidation area here in between, and then we have here the breakout. Yes, that is what you should cover. This video about the Bollinger Band, yes, because we are getting almost the market condition out of the information which is giving the Bollinger Band. So then the next one is this one here, where I talked about the EMAs, what the specific EMAs are telling. In this kind of condition we have here ranging market with a small downtrend. Yes, why a downtrend? Because of this what I have explained in this video. Yes, ranging market because they are flat, and then that what I have explained on this page here. Yes, on this page here, this one, where I have explained what the specific alignment of the EMAs are telling. Yes, and you see if you have this colors, yes, in this kind of price, 200 above the 100, the 100 above the 50 above the 20, then the 20 is above the price, then you have a downtrend. Yes, and you see here 200, 100, 50, 20, price is below the 20, so we have a minor downtrend in a ranging market. Yes, and that should be this other one which you should understand, yes. So then obviously this kind, yes, of pages where I have explained in detail what the specific trend, consolidation area, strong trend, healthy trend is about, yes. And then obviously this kind where I have talked about the the evening star, yes, because this is what you should have in mind immediately when you see this kind of approach of price. Yes, let me see, is this the Dragonfly Doji? It's similar here. Yes, Dragonfly Doji. Yes, here this one. Yes, this, or better, or okay, this one. Yes, I would say this is already a good example. Yes, this is what you should have in mind always when coming up such kind of scenario. Yes, then you should have in mind this one. I don't find the evening star, maybe because it's a 3 bar candlestick pattern, yes, and I have made it somewhere else. Is it this one? Yes, evening doji star. Yes, you see the Dragonfly Doji in combination with the evening doji star. That is what you should have in mind immediately. That are those concepts which you should have in mind. And also here, obviously, the candlestick math stuff, yes, which you have always in mind because that is applicable to everything. So what do we have here? Yes, it was the 3 white soldiers. Okay, that was already, that were those kind of concepts, yes, which you would have to understand before you can go into such kind of trade. Here we get now also some other scenario that we got here a pullback, and so that is what it will come in with this kind of, yes, this one here, yes, where I have explained you get downtrend, then you get a pullback from anywhere 20 EMA, 1 deviation, 2 deviation, middle Bollinger Band, or whatever, yes, and then the trend will continue. And that is that same scenario, only scaled down to another time frame, yes, because you see here a downtrend, then you get a pullback, and that is nothing else. You have a downtrend, then you get a pullback from the 20 EMA, yes, you see here, that is what you should expect, because we have here a downtrend, a major downtrend, yes, which is in a flat and ranging market, yes, because the EMAs are flat. That is what you have to understand. So, okay, I will do play here, and then we will see what I have done to make this more clear. I'm drawing here some kind of support and resistance levels, yes, but at the end, it's not okay. And I'm doing here put because, like I have explained, this is the evening doji star, yes, or the dragonfly doji or gravestone doji. You can get it how you want, yes. But in a major downtrend, yes, you get here a pullback. That is what you should expect after a weak candle. So, and after this, so let's see. So you see, we have a ranging market. That is what I have explained here with the EMAs, what I have actually shown you on the concept, which I have explained in the ebook. Watch the related video, yes, because you see, I'm using those kind of concepts which are explaining me everything. So, okay, after that, I draw some other lines, and let me see what kind of concepts that were those concepts which I have shown you before, yes, where those one which you have always in mind, yes, that are those one about the ranging market, the Bollinger Bands, the EMAs, yes, that are those concepts which you should cover really the first, yes, which are those one which are important because you use them on each and every trade, yes. So here we see now this kind of concept of the double bottom, yes. You see here, as soon price starts to do not reaching anymore the previous bottom, yes, you can immediately apply those things what you have learned by the double bottom, double top, yes, what I have explained in the ebook here on the pages, yes, for those one who do not know this. So, which I have explained in the ebook about the double, let me see this, yes, let me see, this where we have this, yes, double top, double bottom, yes, here, somewhere here, I don't know, I have to memorize the pages. So here, yes, so this is triple, this is head and shoulders, and here we have the double top and the double bottom. Yes, here, that's the one. So we have here double bottom here. Yes, you see, as soon the second bottom will be higher than the first bottom, you can expect immediately a double bottom. Yes, obviously you have to understand if it will unfold, and this is a nice one. What is showing me, because the candle is finishing. Here is that happening, yes. What I would say is a nice scenario, because we have here an engulfing candle as the second bottom. Yes, it's an engulfing candle, and this engulfing candle as that second bottom is a clear sign that the trend will most probably continue and break through the neckline. So if you do here some kind of candlestick math, you get here something like a dragonfly doji, yes, which is showing that you have buying pressure. Yes, and here engulfing candle, that is those concepts which I have explained here. Engulfing candle, how to trade the engulfing candle. Watch this video if you don't know this. One of the most reliable candlestick pattern is the engulfing candle. Bearish or bullish engulfing candle, it doesn't matter. Let me see, this is a tweezers top. Engulfing candle, where do I have the engulfing candle? I don't know. Let me search for it. Can I search here in this thing? Yes. Engulfing. So let me see. So it will be faster. Engulfing. So let me see if it will find this. Okay, okay, here engulfing candle, exactly, that is it. Yes, engulfing candle. You see here the engulfing candle, how to trade this. You wait till price reject from the previous candle opening price if you have a bullish engulfing candle, and if you have a bearish engulfing candle, you wait for the rejection from the opening price from the previous bullish candle. Yes, that is where you should trade. Yes, that is what the concept is about. Yes, so that is how to trade the engulfing candle, and that is what will happen now here. Yes, this is a double bottom in confluence with an engulfing candle, and that is a clear call. Yes, and that's the reason why I would most probably enter here into a call. Yes, and you see I'm entering here into a call, maybe because I have the mouse over the higher button. I'm waiting to understand what's going on and wait for the last seconds of the per case time as to get into this trade. Yes, okay, I entered then on the rejection. Yes, to get a better entry point. That was not a rejection to do a put. Yes, because it was already clear that price will go up further. Ranging market, double bottom, engulfing candle. That is the same. It's the same valid like it would be, for example, some kind of hammer. Yes, or a pin bar or something like this. Yes, that are those kind of things which you should understand, that if you have a second bottom which is higher than the first bottom and it has some kind of reversal candle, then you should enter into a continuation trade. So then I entered again into a trade, and that was nothing else than that concept which I have explained here. Let me show you this. First of all, the concept about the Marubozu candlestick. Marubozu, yes. First of all, this, yes, the trend continuation. And why the trend continuation of the Marubozu and not a reversal? Because here you have this, yes. Okay, that is the wrong one. Let me see if I can find another one. That is Marubozu here, continuation, yes. If you have a weak candle, let me see what's going on here. Marubozu candlestick, yes, trend continuation, yes. You see here trend continuation of the Marubozu, yes. And why? Because, yes, because we have here the support and resistance level which was broken due to this Marubozu candlestick. We have ranging market, we have an uptrend, which is the concept of the high probability trading setup. Yes, high probability. Yes, let me show you this. Yes, you see here that setup. You have a engulfing candle, then you get a trend continuation pattern. I don't have mentioned here the Marubozu, but the Marubozu is also one of those trend continuation patterns here. And then you trade in the direction of the trend. Yes, that is the concept behind this, and that's the reason why I entered here into a call, because we got ranging market. Yes, it's not trending, it's ranging here. That was a minor downtrend here. That will be now a minor uptrend. Yes, and yes, and that is the reason why I entered here, because we have ranging market. Else I would have done here maybe a reversal and would applied the concept about the fake breakout of the 20 EMA if I would have understood that price would, for example, if this candlestick would have had a wick above this, yes, so it would have been most probably a trend reversal, yes, because that would show me that there are sellers stepping in, yes. But in this condition, because we have here the double bottom, yes, it was clear that price will most probably continue to going up. So that was this already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.